welcome back to my new series where I'm talking about what I've learned and what I'm doing with my investments and finances right now. Today I'm going to tell you about my business savings for paying my taxes. I currently have multiple streams of income online, but none of them remove taxes when I get paid out, so I have to pay those taxes back every year at tax time. Previously, I had just used a CIBC basic savings account that got me very little interest, and I wanted to change it up for this year. I recently moved $4,500 from my CIBC savings account into a GIC, which is a guaranteed investment certificate within my TFSA, and it has a guaranteed 2.15% interest rate. However, I can't add money to this account myself. It's like a product that you purchase with my money, and when I sell it, I get the money plus the interest. My original basic CIBC savings account was only giving me about 0.05% interest, which is basically nothing. Since I opened my GIC or bought my GIC on June 5th, 2026, I've made $10.34 in interest. Probably more than I made all of last year in my CIBC interest. Next, I wanted to open a new account to use for my business savings that got more interest than this awful CIBC savings that I could just slowly contribute money into as I made it. Some banks do offer a high interest savings account or high yield savings account in the US, but all the ones I looked into in Canada only have a high interest rate of 4 to 5% for a short period, usually about 3 to 5 months, and then it drops to a much lower percent. Some do offer longer terms of high interest, but you need to deposit a minimum of like $2,000 a month in order to maintain it. Because this is just for my savings to pay my taxes next year and not my main bank account, that just doesn't really work for me because I'm not making enough to need to save $2,000+ a month. Instead of using my old CIBC savings account to continue to contribute my savings to, I decided to open a Wealthsimple checking account. Wealthsimple doesn't have a regular savings account with higher interest because their checkings account already starts at 1.25% interest, and the more money you put into it, the more it grows, but that's at much higher amounts. So my current business savings account with Wealthsimple is at $648.48 and will be gaining 1.25% interest. I'm still currently down about $2,000 from where I would like my business or tax savings to be at, but I'm hoping to have that caught up in the next few months.